Hi everyone, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris from ProUp Digital. In our today's video, we're going to be looking at how you can generate your certificate of incorporation through the Corporate Affairs Commission. Just in case you have your company or your business or your incorporated trustee organization registered and you misplaced the certificate, you don't need to lose hope. There is always a way out for you to get back your certificate. All you just have to do is for you to reach out to an accredited agent and they will assist you with the job. So just in case you don't know anyone, you can always link up to us so that we can assist you to regenerate your certificate. So in this video, I just want to show you a practical guide just in case you are already an accredited agent and you don't know how to go about regenerating certificates for your client. So all you just have to do is for you to log into the post incorporation portal. Then you are to search for the name of the company that you want to regenerate your certificate. Go down and select proceed to dashboard. Good. Now I'm already at the profile page for this particular company. Under the service list, you have to look for certified true copy or certified extracts. You click on it, then you click on start request for CTC. The acronym CTC stands for the certified true copy. So you click on proceed, then select the type. So we need certificate of incorporation of the company and also we need memorandum and article of association. So these are the two things that we need. So now I will provide the name of the director company that authorized this particular request. Managing director. Save and continue. So we are at the preview stage. We need to go through it very well. If you're okay with it, you click on proceed to payments. Proceed to payments. So guys, after making payment, you have to hold on for a while for the system to validate your payment. So when the system validates your payment, you will now be directed to back to the portal, the CAC page, where you have to upload relevant document as per CAC request. After uploading, then you submit your application. Usually it takes a space of 24 to 48 hours for your application to be reviewed, and when CAC review the application, then you'll be able to download your certificates and other documents that you might have requested for, like the MEMAT, right? So that's all about that. Okay guys, for those of you that may be interested to join our masterclass where you will learn how to carry out different forms of registration, starting from business name, partnership, limited liability company, NGO, and so on and so forth, you can always reach out to us. Check the description of this video for our contact so that you can connect with us and we will get you registered. Thank you and remain blessed. If you are yet to subscribe to our YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, smash the notification bell so that you will get updated whenever we publish great content like this in the future.